Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Clipboard in your Android phone. Now to access Clipboard, at first you have to open keyboard. And after open the keyboard, here you can see a icon which is Clipboard icon. Then just tap here and here it is. Now from here you can find your all the copied link and text. You can also customize your clipboard from here. Suppose if you want to delete any copied link or text, then just touch and hold it, then tap on this delete icon, then tap on delete again to confirm it, and it's deleted successfully. Also, if you want to pin any copied link or text in your clipboard, then you have to tap on this pin icon, then choose the text, then tap on done, and it's done. And that's it. You have successfully accessed your clipboard using this simple method. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.